You know, it's easy to stay motivated when you up. You got money. You got people helping you out. But this ain't for all that. It's for them dudes that's out there on their own, really grinding, breaking the fucking rules to do the right thing. I'm tired of this shit. I'm tired of being better at my job than everybody else, making more money than me. I'm tired of motherfucking making excuses. And I have been. I've been on the grind. Shit, I almost died yesterday. Can barely walk. But motherfucker, I'm still out here getting to it. Machiavelli. Maca, what you doing, boy? I'll thug out with any of them. But nah, I just don't want motherfuckers to forget when we up, fucking shit up, where we came from. So I'll never forget where the fuck I came from. Man, free the guys. Rest in peace, B-Rad, Tunchi, Nasty Nate, Spider, Loke, Uncle Billy. Call him Catfish Billy. I'm just keeping it real. I got $2 in the bank on one account. I got -10 on the other. Just wrecked my bike. No helmet. We still putting money on my brother's books. We still making sure them motherfuckers got their smoke. When shit's hard, just do the right fucking thing. When shit's easy, do the right fucking thing. Cause I can't carry y'all's weight much longer. This bastard won't be here forever. Matter of fact, my time's coming soon. I just want y'all to count your blessings, you know. When you down on your ass, you broke as a motherfucker. Don't forget who still fucked with you when you was on your ass down bad. Don't forget when you was laying in a ditch on the side of the road and you call your homeboy. He drops his shit and pulls up on you. I don't agree with everything my friends do either. Y'all think I'm crazy. Some of my friends is... Whew. And don't get it twisted. I don't go to church because I'm scared. I go to church because I'm really ready for fucking war. I'll really die for this shit. Like, for real. This shit don't stop. It don't. I took $50,000 losses in a day before. This ain't nothing new. Matter of fact, Fairfield County Sheriff's Department's probably got. They're responsible for about 30 racks that came up missing. Oh, and Deputy Martin, you got my fucking dog chain. Yeah. Look about like this. Yeah, rest in peace, Duke. I hope you ain't next, motherfucker. You know, we used to be best friends. You know, a state trooper killed 2 of my best friends. Now one of your best friends is a state trooper, and you's a dirty pig sheriff. I want you to check how many victims I got in my cases. I want you to check them papers, boy. Because when shit hit the fan, you're gonna know who the fuck did what. Y'all can hit the fucking courtroom and testify. I'm gonna be on the block letting shit fly till the motherfucking day I die. I'll be out in the field with a hammer, risking doing dimes in the slammer. You pussies stay out there with your camera. I'm gonna be in the back with the Beretta hitting the flammer. What's up, Mac? Yeah. But no. They got a lot of real dogs locked up right now, too. There's still some left out here, though. Five-time felon. Soft, we done quit selling. Y'all could stay in the courtroom yelling and telling. We just running it up, buying and selling. This shit's only temporary. Just don't forget why you're here. I don't know where the fuck I'm gonna end up either. Here, at least. Can't even afford a fucking pair of real glasses, you know what I'm saying? Call me when that direct deposit hits, though. My brother got money on his books. Don't send Bambi to kill a wolf. You're gonna have to send a savage you want to take me out the game. Ask Stano. I'm built like an earthworm. Cause I'm comfy in the mud, dog. Shit ain't nothing new. Shit ain't nothing new at all. Fuck it though. Keep that short sharp. You know what I'm saying? Keep your head right. Stay in the Bible. We at war. Let go.